Let's make some body wash with me. First, you need Castile Soap, and that's the brand I like to use, and then whatever essential oil you'd like, and a 16-ounce bottle, preferably glass bottle. Okay, so first I'm gonna measure 1 cup of Castile Soap. I used to use Dr. Bronner's, but I noticed that it was actually drying my skin out, so I changed it to this one, and so far I love it. It keeps my skin very hydrated. All right, so now I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water. Make sure that it is filtered water as well. Look at all those bubbles. And that's the 1/2 cup of water. Oh, look at, I definitely need to blow them. Woo! Magical. Anyways, 30 drops of essential oil, again, of your choice. It doesn't matter. I decided to use this woodsy smell. I love it. It reminds me of being back in the forest. Okay, so now we're going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Now for the test, my wife said, "Can you please make me a body wash that creates some foam?" And I said, "Well, sure." So here we go. Let's see. And it did. Delivered. She gets what she wants, and it makes your skin feel so smooth.